Hey guys, Mel here, and today I am going to try some wood burning for the first time. I don't think I've ever really done wood burning before, or if I have, then it was a very long time ago and very briefly in like wood shop class or something, but I don't think I've really done it. So I bought this from Michael's and we will see how it works out. It comes with a little stand, which is good. Not really sure how you put it on the stand, unless you just kind of put it like that, maybe. Not really sure. They don't really tell you. So anyway, this one is just the very basic. It's a value tool. I have two different types of wood pieces that I'm going to try. This one is a basic wood panel, and then this one is one that has like the bark around it to make it a little bit more rustic. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet, but we will see. So, being my first time, I'm not going to do anything super complicated because, well, I don't want to, I don't know how well it's going to go. Okay, so I have my base layer done. And I do want to try to add some more details. So for that I might try one of the other points. But overall, I think that's really, it's definitely hard to, like, not as easy as you might want it to be because you can't just like draw flowingly. So like one of my clouds definitely has a point, but oh well. So this one's looking a little funky right now. We'll see what some of the other points can do. Okay, now I'm going to try the flow point to see how that works. So here's what it looks like adding some details with the flow. I know the mountains look, it's all looking a little cartoony, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be extremely realistic. And here we are with how this one is turning out. Yeah, we'll see where this goes. I thought it would be fun to add some dots to it. And now we will try the shading tool. Here we are after trying this shading on the mountains. I know it's now probably looking a little worse than what it was in the beginning. However, again, this is my first time, so I'm just kind of mostly trying this out. Next time I might know to skip certain areas with certain tips and then just go in with other tips. So it's all part of the process. And here is my other little piece, a little abstract. Okay, so there is one more point that I have not tried yet in my set, and that is the fine point, or the cone point, which is supposed to do a little bit finer details. So I'm not really sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. So after trying the wood burning and trying out all four of the different tips in my wood burner set, this is how the mountain scene came out. And this is the abstract piece. And since this video is going to be pretty long as it is, I am probably going to paint these with watercolors. However, I'm going to do that off camera. So after I paint them, we will see how they come out with the watercolors. Okay, so I have painted my wooden projects. And so first I will show you the more abstract one. This one I just did in a rainbow of colors using some UB pearlescent watercolors. And so this one could go like this, you know, this way. It could go really any way. I do kind of like it this way because I think it could be like a sunset with some like grass and water and then like a mountain or something in the foreground. But it could go, you know, this way too, and it could be like a purpley sky with, you know, this is like a field, and, you know, it could go anyway. Really, it's just abstract. But there's a close-up. And then the other one is the mountain range. And here is how this one turned out. It still looks a bit cartoony, and if I ever try it again, I will probably again do certain parts like a little bit less. Like next time I do the clouds, I would just probably stick with the first tip that I had used and not like go over it again with another tip, or like doing the shading, I would just, you know, not use the first tip that I had used, and just, you know, so I would do things a little bit different next time. However, I was just mostly playing around with the wood burning kit and to, you know, kind of figure things out, and I still think it came out pretty good. Here's a little bit closer for the detail. Yes, the detail does get a little bit lost beneath the paint. However, you can still see it for the most part. And I still think it came out pretty nice for what it is for like my first time. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and I will see you in the next video. Oh, and also the usual, if you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe and like this video. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any other videos from me. And so I will see you in the next video. Bye!